Hey everyone, happy holidays. This is the last deep driving of 2020. All I wanted to do was just ask you a favor. If you're getting together with your family and your loved ones and there's little kids around and those kids want to perform, those kids want attention, do them a favor, do yourself a favor, do the universe and do the planet a favor. Let them play. Let them perform. Let them show off for you their passion, their gift, and their vision for their life so that in 20 years they're following it instead of getting stuck in an education system that just has them get a job. Did you follow your dream? Did you follow your passion? If you did, how amazing do you feel? If you didn't, why would you want that for your kids? Let them experience love. Let them experience joy. Let them experience their vision for their life. Ask them questions. What are they passionate about? And just have a great time with them and be with them and be joyous. Let your inner child even play with them. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Happy holidays.